Okay, so we finally got a decent day out here. Last 3 weeks has just been terrible. Raining every day, or snowing, or sleeting. Yeah, yesterday it was like in the 30s, and it was literally sleeting and hailing all day. So today it's a little bit better, just a little bit. So I got my Corally 110 scale out here. Yeah, with the tiger stripe. What is this? Cheap ass Amazon Stampede body. So yeah, it's 110 scale. So basically what I did was I took a Dementor and shaved off the chassis enough to fit some ridiculous short dog bones, and I basically got a 110 scale now. And this thing is heavy as heck. It's 11 pounds, which is heavier than any 110 scale I got, except for the siren out that I just rebuilt. So yeah, this thing has all hand-me-down stuff in it. I mean, I just went and grabbed some garbage. I don't even know if the ESC works. It's the BLX 185. You see, I got it just wedged in the shock tower. I mean, in the center tower, some kind of way. Yeah, and it has the 40mm fans and all the other good stuff. So this thing is basically, I can't really call it ready to go. Mainly because I know the stuff in here is just gonna fail, but I need to go on and test this thing out to see just how dialed in it is. I just want to dial in the steering. I pretty much know that the servo is probably junk, the motor is probably done, and the ESC is probably done. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on 4S and hopefully don't burn the damn thing up completely. Yeah, those giant 40mm fans do work. Oh boy, now I gotta go in and put all this stuff on there to keep the body from getting wrecked, because I know that's another thing about these cheap ass bodies. Even though I got the inside all taped up, I know it's just gonna end up getting wrecked. So I will protect it for as long as I can. And yeah, even though I got a Traxxas body on it, it doesn't have the lovely decency of being strapped on like a Traxxas. Even though these are old Stampede bodies, and the Stampede still uses the pins and clips. And my hands are huge, so these are 1/5 scale pins. I cannot deal with the tiny pins that be on the armors all the time. I hate those things. I can't even grip those. I literally can't even grip those. I have to take some wire pliers and put them on there, because my fingers just go straight over the top of it. So I went and I found these 1/5 scale pins on Amazon, and I'm like, oh my god, my fingers can actually grip them. Yeah, so my fingers can actually grip them. They're huge. They're like almost 2 inches long. Yeah, so you know I'm a pretty big guy. So oh my god, look at that steering radius. Now, yeah, it has a really nice steering radius, but I still got the wheel turned and it just completely lost steering. So yeah, that servo is going out. It ain't nothing but one of those SPT servos that I got off of AliExpress for like 50 bucks or whatever the hell they are. Yeah, it just did it again, and I still got it completely turned. So let's see. I got it turned. Let's see how many revolutions it can do. Yep, gone. And it still turned. Poor servo. Poor servo. Yeah, you know I was in the house going stir crazy. But I had a very long time to dial this truck in. And I'm pretty sure most of the armor motors that I still have some kind of problems, but I never bothered to replace bearings or even bothered to open them up. I really didn't want to even be bothered with that stuff. So now I got what I got. Oh yeah, this thing is nutty. On 4S. Yeah, if it catches anything, it's gonna go flying. Nice shiny chassis. Oh my god, and the wind is kicking. It is 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts out here, blowing away all that horrible weather we done had. Oh, okay, I got a rock. Nope. I'm getting away from this stuff. And yeah, it was sleeting and hailing yesterday, so I'm pretty sure this field is fucked. The wind is kicking, my field is in horrible shape, and I'm taking a new build over here. No, I'm not. No, not this stuff. This is nasty as hell. This really is nasty as hell. Oh my god, this is close. This ain't gonna work. Ugh, I'm just squishing. Oh my god, the mud. And it's not really mud, it's almost dry. But as you can see, it's some fucked up places over there. Oh my god. No. Okay, time for truck. Gotta keep on adjusting this damn thing. Okay. So I got a new build over here. I'm testing it with a shitty ESC, shitty motor, shitty steering servo. On 4S, and it's yeah. Oh yeah. I think I got a 15-tooth pinion in the thing with the 46-tooth spur. Okay, so what's going on with this thing? It has Creighton rear hubs, Corally front hubs, the extended ones. So this thing is definitely wide as hell. It has Mojave arms, and the rest of it is Corally. So yeah. So pretty much this thing, over the cost of the V1 Dementor that I tow up, almost didn't cost me anything to make except for the arms, the center diff that I blew up in the Dementor. I went and got the aluminum center diff, the aluminum cup center diff from Jenny's, along with the arms, and the axles are Corally, the longer axles. But let's see. Oh yeah, I got the bumper off the Kaiju, and the wheelie bar off the, well, I think that's the wheelie bar off the Kaiju, or at least a part of it is. I think I cut it up and just slapped it on there. Oh my god, this wind, the 40 mile an hour gusts. Ooh, and it's been nearly 60 degrees all day, but this wind, but at least it's raining and sleet. Oh yeah, so Jenny Senadif, Jenny Mojave Arms, and the Mojave CVDs. And that's it. Yeah, got CVDs on all four corners. So this thing rips on 4S even with a crappy motor. And I can tell the motor is pretty bad when you're hearing crunching, and that crunching isn't coming from any of the gears. The mesh is perfect. Yeah. Yeah, that's everything. So I've had it out for a good, I want to say a good 20 minutes on a half charge battery. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this thing. It basically needs for me to go and rip off another Corally system to throw in the thing. But yeah, this thing is actually pretty damn good. Oh boy. Oh no, I'm sitting in the mud. Nope. Get away from the mud. No mud for me. Find some nice grass to waddle in. Oh boy. So we're supposed to have a couple of more days like this before it ends up getting all messed up again. So I'll probably be able to get some more trucks out here to test out. I do got that siren out there, siren that I completely built up to test out and dial in since I put on all the other aluminum stuff. Man, this thing is actually wide as hell. My God. I mean, this thing is actually wider than it is long. Freaking insane. Yeah. But I'm not going to go on a temp fade and beat it up. I tested it out with the stupid crappy ass system enough. So I know exactly what's going on with it. Not wrong. Oh boy. Yeah, all I gotta do is just go in and get a new servo and the system in there, and this thing will be ready to go. So I will leave it at that and get out of this damn wind before I end up getting sick again.